Hi. Two questions for today. One is idli sambar or idli chutney, which is a superior combination, and the other one is animal protein or plant protein, that is animal diet or plant diet, which is more superior in terms of protein. And I am a vegetarian, so I will be favoring the plant diet and plant protein, and I know 99% of you might be against that and you might favor the animal diet and animal protein. So let's see who's going to gain an upper hand in this conversation, in this statement. So let's begin. So first, which one you want me to discuss with that idli chutney, idli sambar, or animal protein and plant protein? We'll go with the first one. Idli chutney on one side, idli sambar on one side. Which is the better combination? To know that, we have to understand what are amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and there are 10 essential amino acids. By essential, we mean that they are essential from outside. One has to supply it. That is, from the food we have to get it. We do not produce those amino acids inside our body. So what are those 10 amino acids? I'll name them. They are 10. Leucine, isoleucine, lysine, valine, histidine, methionine, phenylalanine, then threonine, tryptophan, arginine. So 10 of them are there, and we have to get it from the food. So that is one point. And second one is, what are the main sources of protein? There are two main sources of protein, animal proteins and plant proteins, and what are they? Like in the animal protein category, we have meat, fish, egg, and in the plant category, we have soya bean, nuts and oil seeds, and cereals and legumes. Also milk, you can place it anywhere in the animal or plant category, like animal category mostly. And so next is, what is the percentage of protein, or in grams, how many grams of protein is present in each of these sources? We'll see one by one. In first, which one, animal or plant? Plant. In 100 gram of soya bean, we have 43 grams of protein. And in oil seeds and nuts, it is 18 to 40 grams. In cereals, it is 6 to 12 grams, and in legumes, it is 18 to 40 grams. And in the other category, we have meat and fish. They contain about 20 grams of protein in 100 grams of meat or fish, and egg, 12 grams of protein in 100 grams of egg. About milk, 100 ml of milk contains just 3.5 to 5 grams of protein. So by this, it is almost clear that which is superior over the other. In terms of quantity, it is the plant protein. Soya bean has the highest protein, like 43 grams in 100 grams of soya bean. Does that mean that it is the superior protein? No, it doesn't mean. Why? Because plant proteins do not contain all the 10 essential amino acids. A single plant protein doesn't contain all these, whereas a single animal protein like meat, fish or egg, it contains all the essential amino acids. So quantity wise, though a plant protein might be superior, but quality wise an animal protein is always superior to the plant protein. So you mean to say that one should prefer the animal diet? Even now I haven't given up. I will stick on to my previous statement and we'll proceed. And animal protein, okay, quality wise it's the superior one, but if you're taking an animal diet, with the protein you're getting something in bonus. What is that? Fat. And who wants extra fat in the body? Nobody. But with plant diet, you're not going to get that extra fat. So one point to say that plant diet is superior to animal diet. And the other one is, animal diet isn't a sattvic diet. Plant diet is definitely a sattvic diet. And sattvic diet is what everybody has to consume so that we enhance our soul, so that we can be free from diseases, we can carry out all our wishes on this earth, and we can be in a good, healthy mind and healthy body. We can be total health one can acquire with sattvic diet. So those 2 points to substantiate the point that animal diet is a bit lower than plant diet. But in terms of quality of protein, surely animal protein is a better one. And do we have any way to make plant protein equal to that? Yes, we have a way. That is the way of combinations. In the plant category, we have a soya bean, cereals, milk, nuts, and so any combinations you can use, like two, either cereal pulse combination or cereal nut combination or pulse nut combination, pulse milk combination, any combinations you make and you will get that same quality of protein and in good quantity also. So now coming to the question of idli sambar or idli chutney, it's very clear which is the better one. Just idli sambar means that is the better one because there is a pulse, there is a cereal. So two of that incomplete proteins are coming, they complement each other and they enhance the quality. And the other idli chutney means you have to take a milk or some nuts along with it to completely, like to have that complete protein. And one more point, cereals have an amino acid called methionine in its highest quantity and quality, and lysine is more in pulses. And so the cereal pulse combination is a great combination, and because what one lacks is present in plenty in the other. Like husband and wife, and husband has some good qualities, wife has some more good qualities, and together they run a family, their children are the most, like they get benefited with both the qualities. And so it is a combination always works, and that is with idli sambar combination. Likewise, Indian dishes, they are famous, like for all 7 days we have different combinations. If you take breakfast for example, there is idli sambar, that's a good combination. Then appam kadala, again cereal and pulse. Then put and pyre or kanni and pyre, that is gruel and pulse, dal. Or North Indian diet also, chapati dal is a great combination, and different types like rajma, like lentils with whatever like pulse you choose, you make a curry. You are sure to get that complementary effect of proteins. So 2 questions and answers are sambar, idli sambar of course is the best combination, and if you don't have time to cook sambar, you go with chutney, but you make sure like everybody in the family takes some other source of protein, maybe 1 boiled egg or a little milk or some nuts. And then second part, animal protein or plant protein. When we say just protein, it's always the superior one is animal protein, but in combination and when we consider the other effects in totality, I will say for sure that plant protein and plant diet is the best of all. Thank you.